So it's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm off to London on a course for work. I'm not normally up this time. Working a nightclub obviously means I don't have to get up at this time, but hey ho. So here in London, just gonna like half an hour early, so I'm gonna find somewhere to sit and just sit and enjoy the sun. It's not really much sun, but probably sit in this park. I realise it probably looks quite dark on the camera. Oh well. Well, I'm in London and look what I bumped into.
Hey!
Hey! And also, we're about to see 5 Seconds of Summer, and they're so cool.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, I'm well excited. They were screaming because I'm coming this way. Oh, there's a dog in the window! Cheer at the dogs! Yeah! Yeah! Stop it! This is cool.
This is ridiculous, mate.
I think that this is harm against dogs.
You might be able to get in. What are they doing?
Can we call RSPCA about the dog?
I saw a hand. I've got a hand.
Oh dear.
That's really
My day has been made. Don't say that, I'll beat you up.
HB are fuming like, you've taken all our customers.
Well, games, over this way.
Exactly.
This way.
I love this song.
This is like my favourite song.
Right.
How do they know?
Beach slaps and fan
Did you
girls.
guys? You shouldn't have done this. Because I come to London, like
Guys,
I told you to keep it. I told you to keep it quiet.
My fan.
That's crazy. 5 Seconds of Summer. They are super cool, apparently. Well, I know they are. What am I on about? Of course I know they are. I work in Pop World. What did you expect? I thought they were there for me at first, but apparently not. They were screaming when I was inside, so never mind. Right, made it. What platform am I on? No. That's the wrong one. Platform 11. That'll be close.